hard night, good morning, exfoliating cleanse. Either put it in the bowl and then shake it nicely and then, spray 5 to 7 sprays and then go ahead, work it in with your fingers, circular motions moving upward like going against gravity or however is recommended on Deandra's website. You could do the exfoliator first and then come in with the Clear My Space. After you shower, if you're doing it in the morning before bed, I would do the exfoliation and then do that. It gives a really wonderful clean feeling. These are both all-time best-selling products. But Clear My Space especially has always been one of our most popular products. When I came across Deandra's exfoliation blend, I just knew they would be compatible and take it to a different level. So again, the benefit in using a complex like flower and mineral essence blend with a natural cleansing product for the physical body is that you're targeting impurities on more than one level. So you're going beyond just the physical level into the energies. Targeting it on that level can be very effective and definitely over time help you maintain a much stronger, more vital energy field and aura. Thank you very much.